The post published on the official page of the opposition aligned businessman claimed that Nandalal was involved in casino operations in both countries and politically influenced the recent U.S. indictments against the Mohammed's enterprise. In a Facebook statement, the Attorney General rejected the claims as false and meticulous, clarifying that he has no partnership or ownership interest in any such business. The embattled businessman also questioned why a business partner of Nandalal was questioned by authorities. The accusation from the indicted father son duo appeared to be in response to comments attributed to Minister Nandlal during his weekly social media program, which addressed recent developments surrounding the Mohammed's criminal indictment in the United States and Ghana position on the matter. Nandlal dismissed the allegation, stating, and quote, I spoke not a word about or concerning money laundering. My views, insofar as they relate to Mohammed, were both factual and legal, not personal. My friend was indeed questioned once by U.S. law enforcement authorities at an airport in the U.S. I am informed that many of questions related to whether he had any business relationship with the Mohammeds. He answered in the negative. On Monday, the U.S. Department of Justice has unsealed indictments against the Mohammeds on 11 criminal charges, including wire fraud, mail fraud, and money laundering. The charges stems from allegations involving the export of coal from Guyana to the United States through their business Mohammed's Enterprise. In response, the Mohammeds accused the People's Progressive Party PPP government of orchestrating their indictment in collaboration with the United States. Nandlal, during his weekly program, noted that it's ludicrous to conceive that Guyana government has such
To
ability.
conceive that the PPP has the ability to influence the mighty Department of Justice of the United States of America and the accompanying law enforcement agencies of the US to carry out political agendas of the PPP, to think that the PPP is able to persuade those mighty organizations to carry out its political agenda. That must be the product of a special mind.
The Attorney General reiterated that the nation stands ready to honor any formal extradition request made by the U.S. for Azadin and Nazar Mohammed. He clarified that extradition between the two countries is governed by a 1924 treaty between the United Kingdom and the United States, which remains in effect, along with Guyana's updated Fugitive Offenders Act amended in 2024.
No one ought to be surprised that these indictments were laid. They were long in the pipeline. The OFAC sanctions sent the first signal, but internally, work was ongoing. The next step is for the government of the United States of America to request of the government of Guyana the extradition of the two persons who are in Guyana and who are the subject of the indictment.
The Mohammeds are accused of conspiring to defraud the US and Guyanese government between 2017 and June 11, 2024. The father son duo is accused of using a scheme to unlawfully obtain property by transmitting communications via interstate and foreign commerce in violations of US laws. According to the prosecutors, the goal was to enrich themselves and defraud the government of Guyana by evading taxes and royalties on gold exports. Adana Dor, Guyana TV9 News.